say turn it a little bit. Where are you going?
Where am I going?
All right. Well, like I said, we discussed the abilities of the camera people that I have gotten so far. Substandard.
You think that's gonna leave?
Whee!
Oh golly.
This clutch is touchy.
Bye. Going to
Nice
ice cream.
Nice car. Nice car.
Don't boot on it.
I'm not.
All right.
Excuse the rattling in the back. There's like nothing back there, as you can see. So that's going to be in an upcoming episode. Today we're just got the clutch in. I don't know what that rattling is. Okay, perfect. More noises. Ignore that. It'll be fine. But car runs really good. Clutch feels pretty good. It engages really, really early. I don't know if that's an adjustment thing or what. If you know, comment below. I have the service manual or shop manual for this thing. So, come on, get going. Nope. People drive great in Cleveland. But, runs pretty good. I just got to take care of that hatch rattle back there. You guys can hear that. This is its maiden voyage, really, with a good clutch. What the hell? Oh, that's her phone. Like, what the hell's falling off this thing? Her phone slipped and hit the floor, and I'm like, okay, yeah, something else is just falling off.
Oh, we'll get on the way
But
back.
surprisingly, nothing fell off. Hatch. The one bad thing I've noticed about this car, I don't know what the hell that is,
I don't know.
is that it's really light in the rear end, so when you hit big bumps, you can really tell you're hitting big bumps. It rattles, it's bouncy. I'm hoping to get some weight in the back of this thing, just to maybe balance it out a little bit. It's probably got like 70-30 weight distribution, maybe even worse than that, like 70 or 80% in the front. Keep hearing like crispy sounds back there.
It's big bumps and you cannot laugh.
Yep, it does not like big bumps, and you can't lie about that.
No.
Got to get a horn in here, got my audio, I got it half-assed installed in here, just a couple front dash speakers, that's going to change. But yeah, this thing just cruises right along, and no slipping of the clutch. That's awesome. So I think we're going to just make this like a little one of those YouTube short videos, but this is its first drive, and I want to thank my wife Heather for tolerating me through this part of it. It's only going to get worse.
Okay.
And my buddy Gumby for helping me out with some stuff. And
He's had some good critiques.
yeah,
Yeah.
Gumby, thank you, buddy. Yeah, I really
Garage sale.
oh, my wife loves garage sales.
Sales.
I do too, honestly.
Garage sales that way.
We missed it. We're going this way.
Yeah. We'll catch it on the way back.
Okay. Yep, so on that note, please, hearing like a continuous like ticking now. It might be the tire, it might be the sticker on the tire, that decal.
Oh, coming in hot.
Yep, coming in hot. We are getting some ice cream at the awesome Honey Hut Ice Cream in Parma, Ohio. If you're in the area, their shit's good. Anyway, we are here, and ride number 1 complete. I am super excited. This car is going to be so much fun when it starts to come around with some handling tweaks and some styling tweaks and audio tweaks and tweaks and more tweaks, but not that tweak. If you're tweaking, please get some help. So anyway, love you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Anything from the missus?
Nope, all good. Comment?
Yeah, you can comment. You know, if you like what you see. Not this, but the
I was
car.
going to say, yeah, I don't have makeup on or anything.
Yeah, you're good. I think you're out of shot.
is-
If you are, we can crop it. If you don't want to be in it,
Yeah,
it's totally up to you.
we don't need to.
But
They don't decide.
anyway, thanks for stopping by, guys. See you next time.